Welcome! In this video, we are going to take a look at Problem 1 from Chapter 1 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we are told the speed limit on some interstate highways is roughly 100 kilometers per hour. We need to find out what that is in meters per second and in miles per hour. All right, so let's just start right out. We've got 100 kilometers per hour. We will set that equal to itself. And now we can start converting. There are 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. And in 1 hour, there are 3,600 seconds. I did this calculation and I got 27.77 meters per second. And so to 3 sig figs, that is 27.8 meters per second. So there's one answer. Now we need it in miles per hour. Okay, so we start out the same way. 100 kilometers per hour equals 100 kilometers per hour. And in 1 mile, there is 1.609 kilometers. And we need it in miles per hour, and we've got hours, so that's all the converting we need to do. I did the calculation and I got 62.15 miles per hour. And we can note that miles per hour can be written as mph, which still stands for miles per hour. And so this is 62.2 miles per hour. And that was the second thing we needed to find. I hope you found that helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.